Here is my simple peas pudding recipe. Take the split peas and put them in a bowl. Cover them with water and leave to soak in the fridge for 24 hours. Rinse the split peas thoroughly, then add them to a pan of hot water with the chopped onion and chopped carrots. Let the mixture simmer. After 1.5 hours the peas will start to break down. Continue simmering and stirring. After 2 hours the mixture is starting to form a paste and there is very little water left in the mixture. When the mixture resembles bubbling lava and is erupting out of the pan, it is time to turn off the heat. Then you can blend the mixture to form a smooth paste, or blend a little less if you prefer your peas pudding more rustic. When the mixture has cooled, I put it into the fridge to set properly for a couple of hours. Then it's time to make yourself a nice sandwich or eat the peas pudding however you enjoy it. Thanks to everyone for watching. If you would like to see more easy recipes, please have a look at my channel page and subscribe. Until next time. Bye bye.